Hello, I'm in my kitchen today and I'm fixing to make something vegan. Maybe some vegan ice cream, and I'm going to use some good old avocado. Okay, well, let me get a little closer here. Bring you in just a little bit closer and I'll show you what I'm doing. Come on, closer, 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 closer. All right, all right. Okay. You see that? That's Mr. Blender over here. And if I can get just a little bit more turning power here, we can show you. Now, I've got half of that avocado in here. Now, we got some little bit ripe bananas. I think I'm going to throw two in there. So, I'm going to cut up a couple of them there. You know, guys, I was kind of looking at the avocado skin. I didn't wonder if anybody would ever come up with some like vegan leather using this stuff. It almost feels like a material that could be made into something like leather or gloves or something. I don't know. I'm just curious, about stuff like that. Anyway, we got these two things, and I'll be right back. Hold on. Good old almond milk. Okay. Well, we got graduations on the blender here, and this is the liter side, which I don't know much about. And this is the cup side. Now we're talking. So I got the. All right. So we can go with 1 cup or 2 cups. What would you do? I think I'll go with the 2 cups. Measure here. I'll throw about 2 cups of the almond milk in here. Okay. Now, got to have a little something to sweeten this thing with. And I think I'm going to go with maybe half-cup measure of good old pure maple syrup. Okay. I should do it. But there's one other little item that I'd like to try to go in here with it, because generally the maple syrup is sweet, but sometimes you see a lot of ice creams, the vegan ice creams in the store, and if you ever look on the ingredients, they generally have more than one type of syrup in the ice cream. So, bought this big bottle of organic Madhava, clean and simple, light agave. I don't think they don't make no syrup really light. Okay, we're going to get another measure. And I'm going to go with 1/4 cup on this. Okay. I might not quite go all the way with it. 3/4 of the way, okay? Like this here. Okay. So we're going to dump this into that. Get all that goodness in there. Okay, I see some. Get all that goody stuff in here that's going to make it sweet and smooth. Now, I don't think you would generally want to put anything else in here, but let me look at something, read something just for a minute. Okay, let's see. Oh, you might want to add a little extract of some kind. Okay. We're going to go with vanilla. Put a few drops in here, or to your liking. And these tops always come off of here. And I'm going to put a few drops in here. Maybe, I don't know if you can see that or not. A few drops. So, I don't know. You could put other flavoring stuff, maybe some powder flavorings, and extracts and stuff like that. You might could go with cinnamon. That might be pretty good in there. I don't know. But vanilla, cinnamon. Wait, I might do that. I guess it's cloves. Good old cinnamon. And this is not just regular cinnamon. This is cinnamon verum powder. Now, normally in the stores they sell one type of cinnamon, but this I ordered because it's a different cinnamon, and this is supposed to be more healthy for you than the other cinnamon. So we're going to put a little bit of that, and I'm just going to sprinkle it in. It's got two different types of things. It's got the smaller one, and it's got the one with the bigger holes. So guess which one I'm going to use? I'm going to use the one with the bigger holes, okay? All right, so I'm going to just dump some in there, and I don't know. People put all kind of stuff in their homemade ice creams and stuff like that. And I guess if you got an ice cream maker, you know, one of the newer ones where you just take out the tub and freeze the tub and you put it back in the machine and you pour all your ingredients and it's got a motor that goes round and round and round. That's good, all in good, you know. But I'm just going to put this in a bowl and freeze it. Stick it in the microwave for 1 minute or a minute and a half. Get it to the point where it's almost, you know, unfrozen. Mix it real good by itself. And, you know, just eat it. Now, the good thing about I tried an avocado ice cream recipe the other day. It turned out good. I mean, I thawed it a little bit in the microwave. And it was real smooth and creamy, you know. But using avocado and canned coconut milk. So here we go. We're going to cut this on ice crush method here, okay? All right. Well, let me get it over here instead of on me. Okay. Here we go. Ready or not? I told you earlier you could put almost probably a little bit of everything in here if you wanted to, and extracts and certain powders, powdered extract stuff, and spices and all. But how about frozen fruit? I got some diced frozen mango. Might be good in there. Or strawberries, or pineapple even. So, alright guys, that's about it here. And I'm going to put this in a container and freeze it and unthaw it and eat it, maybe later on. And I got another recipe here for chocolate that uses canned coconut milk and a whole avocado. And my cat's sniffing the avocado over here, so I had to move it. So anyway, I'll let my cat say goodbye to you. Okay, bye everybody. Say bye. Bye. Bye, bye, bye. Okay. Okay. Bye, bye. Bye, bye. All right, bye now.